Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday. That is March 12th, and this is my PM recap video of the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold because those are the popular pairs on the 1 hour time frame. So if you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, kind of an overall slow day. If you look at the dollar index, very rangy on the dollar index. I do not disagree that the dollar looks like it should go up in a pullback. And if that happens, the euro dollar probably would go down and maybe break structure. So I don't disagree with anybody that thinks that the dollar could, should, and would go down. The problem is that it hasn't gone down, and I've seen these type of situations where the trend just keeps stretching out, and we're in between the 61 and the 78% on the daily. So I mean, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. If I saw anything whatsoever that looked like a long opportunity, like a fib bounce and a golfing move up or anything, I definitely would still recommend longs. Like I said, I don't disagree that we're due for a pullback. I just think that the market disagrees with us that there's any reason to assume that the market really is going down. So be careful with any shorts on the dollar pairs. Same story with the pound dollar, except that the pound is becoming a little bit stronger than the euro today, as you can see. I got my Fibonacci retracement of the last move up on this one also. I mean, I don't disagree that it looks like it should pull back and it could possibly go down maybe and break some structures, making a much larger move to the downside. But the dollar index has gives us no reason to think that that's happening yet. So I would be paying very close attention to all my fib levels. If you see any sort of a three-way pullback at all and then engulfing up at a Fibonacci level, I definitely am recommending longs in an uptrend still. And moving on to gold. Gold has been really doing basically exactly what I've been saying if you've been watching my gold videos. I think that this is an A, B, C, or a WXY. It doesn't really matter. It's still a three-way pullback. I think this is a way B on the daily. Now, I was saying for days now that we're probably going to go up to the 78 or the 88% fib, and that's exactly what happened. So now we just need to observe to see if it makes like a double top or break a structure. If it does, then I definitely think we need to start becoming bearish because this is likely to go down to at least the $2,800 area for a wave C of wave 4. If you watch my morning video, you can see my higher time frame analysis and understand what I mean by a big wave C of wave 4, potentially to the 2,800. But the whole thing is if I don't see this double top Fibonacci bounce and break a structure, then that doesn't turn me bearish. For now, I'm definitely still bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised if it went up, bounced, and made another lower high and just kept going up. So it's all about seeing what happens at these Fibonacci levels. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.